Hi, John. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, June. Wishing you the best on your birthday. This is your Ate Opal. How young are you? Say happy birthday na mo kang Dok, ne? Sana sikan ng pasibayo at long life. Oy, kuya ini
Hello, say. Oh, sana yung birthday ng Doc. May sabi kaming pasibayo. Happy birthday na mo kayo, ne? Thank you.
Hello, Uncle Chun. Happy birthday. May your birthday be full of happiness and good health. May your wishes come true in due time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle June. May the good Lord grant you all your heart's desires and wishes, and stay strong and positive. Thank you to Shay, Zia, and family for taking good care of you. Madakal na rin lulugod kaya ka at mga di. We love you, Uncle. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Dog! God bless! Good health! See you!
See you. Let's go to Baguio.
Baguio na!